Hey guys, shaFs here. Welcome to the shaFs, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and press the all notification so you never miss an update. So today I'm gonna show you how you can set a live wallpaper on your desktop. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this you will need a third-party app which is called DesktopHut, which you will download from the link in the description, or you can just search on Google DesktopHut, and after that you will click on the second link and download the app. File will be downloaded in zip format and you have to extract that. After extracting, you will launch the app. When you launch the app, you will click on the select live wallpaper and it will open. You will just search the file where the file is located and then just open it and click on play, and it will change the wallpaper. If you want to change the live wallpaper again, you will just repeat the process. If you need live wallpaper, you can just go to the DesktopHut website, and there you can download a wide range of live wallpapers for your desktop. The other app that you can use for the live wallpaper is from the Microsoft Store. The app is called Desktop Live Wallpaper. You will just launch the Microsoft Store and then you will just search for Desktop Live Wallpaper and then install it. When you launch the app, you can search the folder where you want. In the free version, the app only allows the WMV format of video that you can set the wallpaper. So the other formats are locked, or you can just upgrade it to Pro. So if you have any other format, you can just always convert it online. Just go to your browser and search WMV converter and just convert your file. After converting, you will just download the file and then just apply it through the app. So that's all from this video. If you like what you're seeing, then please do subscribe and press the all notification so you never miss an update. If you enjoy the video, then do like, and if you want to say something or have any suggestion, then please write it down in the comment section. This is shaFs, and I will see you in the next one.